Hello YouTube, thank you for stopping by my channel. My name is Leo Sotelo, and on this channel here I put a lot of things to action. As you already know, if you're doing internet marketing, you have to put everything into action. You got to put your links out there because you already know what's going to happen if you don't. So take action, and in this video right here I'm going to switch off into a different niche that I've been avoiding for some reason and I'm regretting it. But I want to jump into it, and I want to show you out there, in case you plan on it yourself. There's going to be some stats and everything I want to show you. And the niche is relationships, because everybody yearns to be in a relationship. It's a natural thing that everybody has, and I want to show you the stats. So I'm going to go right here into my Learn dashboard. I'm going to open it up so lose my image at the bottom there. And I want to go into a tool here, Email Incubator, which is where I started learning how to be an internet marketer, and it's been a really great. So my resources, my niche detective. Okay, it's going to bring these up right here: health and fitness, dating and relationship, money and success, self-help. So we're going to go right here to dating, and I'm going to kind of show you a few of these for example, just so you can see how big it really is. And if you happen to run into this video, if you're working in a different niche, leave me a comment at the bottom, and I will, if you want to know what's popular and what's really not, if you want to, because this tool right here, actually it's an investment. That's why I'm bringing this up, because if you want to know, let's say, health and fitness, or money and success, just let me know, and I'll do my best to get back at you with the best response with the stats I'm about to show you right here. So this one's about relationships, men looking for women. So I want to start with this one. So this video might be a little bit longer because I want to show you a few of these just to let you know how big it is out in the world. So as of right now, niche report, men's relationships, 1.8 million. That's the audience size. Total products. These products right here are related to ClickBank, and it's going to show you the products that are actually out there, and they're selling. They're selling to people who are looking for ways to find someone. So as you can see right here, those are the 5 keywords: how to surprise your girlfriend, how to stop fighting with the girlfriend, things to say to your girlfriend after a fight, dinner date ideas, romantic dinner date ideas. United States, the top 5 countries where it's popular at: United States, India, United Kingdom, Canada, and Australia. As you can see, the gender on this one's for men. So I'm gonna go down here, and this is ClickBank's offer. So let's see what this one is right here. So this video right here is being sold, whatever they're promoting. I haven't looked at these yet, but I mean, you got Fox, WebMD. I mean, the products here that they are promoting are, they've been scientifically, I mean, people have gone through them to make sure, like the psychology of the human being. So they're good products, and you could always get this product's name right here. And I would suggest you go right here to ClickBank, and let's say, I'm just going to use this for an example, right? Magic relationship words. I would not promote this right here because it does not have the cell phone where it's mobilized for cell phone. You want to get something that's mobilized. So I want to see right here. You're going to promote that, and you're going to grab your hop link and everything. But let's go back over here. So they got these really popular main offers: 47 bucks, 97 is the upsell. So mainly on these products right here, all you need is an opt-in page. A thank you page would be great. People like them. Um, let's jump back. I want to stay right here, of course. That's what this video is about, relationships and stuff. So some people want their ex back. Marriage. People love marriages. They like to, I mean, just the gatherings, the whole thing. It's a good time. So main location: United States, United Kingdom, Canada, India, and China. They got 8 million people. That's a big audience. Mostly women who want it. Top 5 keywords. Okay. biblical marriage advice, marriage advice, legal, divorce, marriage, um, catch your cheating spouse, catch cheating spouse. Okay, and these are the products right here that they are promoting. So let's see what these are. Save the marriage. People want to save their marriages because the last thing anybody wants is for it to end in a divorce. So this saves your marriage. Start today, step by step. Of course, they're going to watch this, and I want to be watching these myself. But let's go back over here. So as you can see how big these are. I want to run you through one more because I'm surprising myself because, like I said, I'm just jumping into this. And let's say you want your ex back. So let's go load that information up and see how big it is. 500,000. So that's a pretty big audience. These are the top 5 keywords: United States, India, United Kingdom, Canada, and Australia. So you could promote these products right here. As you can see, you just click it and it's going to bring them up. So let's leave that one alone. Okay, let's see real quick. Let's go back over here. Make women want you. So you just fill this out right here and you get your free offer. Okay, so I just wanted to show you how big this niche is. I don't really see people using this tool at all. And this tool is an investment. It comes with so many other things. But this is the cool part that you can do too. I got some other things I want to show you right here. And Getting the Woman of Your Dreams. I need to read this book. So, Getting the Woman of Your Dreams. So, let's see. I want to see the e-cover. That's the cover to this book. So, it's a pretty good looking book. But this is what you can do, right? You could grab this book right here. They give you all the rights what you could do with this book. I want to show you that as a matter of fact because some people don't know what they are. So PLRs. Some of you don't know what a PLR is. It's a private label rights. So let's see right here. This is where I pulled them out of my file right here. I think it was this one right here. I don't know why it's being so slow. So this is the license it comes with for this specific book. So this right here, they give you all what you can do. Some of them give you what you cannot do. They would say not, but you can give it away. You can sell it. You can translate it in other language if you like. Can be used as web content. So this book is it comes with all this. So you're unrestricted. So you can do whatever you want with this book. This book is probably saturated, so you might want to add some of your own things in there. What I would do, I would copy that, and this is on the free because I usually use this thing called Scribble. It's a software I use. Scribble is pretty good, but if you're looking to do stuff on the cheap, money's kind of tight right now, I want to show you a free method. So you want to get rid of that, and you want to go here to your Google Documents, and you paste it in here. So let me open this up. You paste it in here, and you're kind of going to go through it, edit it, kind of put some things as yours. Make sure all the table contents are there, everything's good, and you're going to want to make this book your book so you could promote it. Now, the thing about using this, you don't really have like a... Well, actually, you can go to Canva and create a cover page, or you could use the one that it gave you, the PLR. but is what you're going to want to do for sure. You're going to want to go through here and let's see right here. You're on part 1, chapter 1. Let's say right here. As you see, you're going to have to kind of go through this and kind of do a little bit of adjusting and everything like that. So when it comes over here on ClickBank, how I went over here, we generated a hop link, and then you could put this hop link, you could put a ebook, just so they know where it's coming from. It's going to generate this hop link. Now this hop link, you're going to want to copy it, and then you want to come over here to your wherever you're promoting at and put it right here. And either you could right here click here to learn more about love. So right there, then you're going to want to grab this right here, and then you want to paste your link in there, apply it, and now your link is in there. So if you decide you want to give this book out, let's say you want to go to let's say you go to Quora or something, and Quora, to some of you that don't know about Quora, Quora is pretty cool. I didn't know this. I learned it a few months ago, but you could come up here to your profile, and you could add it into your profile. So let's see right here real quick. Okay, questions, more. Like right here. So I could add that book in here, down here, and I can make it a link. Like right here, you click on that, and that takes them directly to my YouTube channel. And that's how you get traffic. This is how to create a free WordPress website, beginner friendly. So that's just, I want to show you that you could. That's how powerful this is right here. You tell people come over here. So let's say I got a whole link for this this book right here, which you're gonna want to hit share and give away your document. So you're gonna want to put just your ebook. I'm just using this for an example. You're gonna want to save it. This will give you a link. I'm not going to save it right here because I'm still going to add some stuff to here. I'm just using an example, but it's going to give you a link that you could bring to your Quora account, and you could put it in here. I have my YouTube channel. I got my blog right here. People want to see. I got free PDF in there as well. Top recommended real estate investing school. Online traffic ebook. I got all this stuff right here. So in case people go to my profile, as you can see, I had about 4,000 this month. I need to be more active on this website. But as you can see, you can make your money off that link. And I didn't even see how much you get off that link. You get $28 off anybody who purchases off that link. Or 37. I don't know which one I used for this example, but I just wanted to make this video to show you that, because I've been picking up a lot of things as I went on my journeys myself. And if you are just starting, I mean, there are so many things you could do with this with these ebooks, and you could get ebooks anywhere. I mean, you know what? I want to show you right here real quick. So because I'm not going to have anything in my description below. I'm just going to have, I mean, if you want to get on my email list, that'd be cool. I'll be sending you some really cool articles. But let's see, okay, let's go to your best friend Google here. And let's type in free PLRs. PLR. Ebooks. So you go right here and you could download, right here, free download. Okay, all these PLRs. Some people don't. Some people know about this. Some don't. Seeing what's taking so long here. The Warrior Marketer submitted on 2 years ago. Masters resale rights. That's what you want right there. How to create your own physical video products. So you could go here and get these books and resell them. I mean, they give you the rights, and make sure you read the rights because you want to make sure you're following the rules. But I wanted to make this video because I have never seen nobody show a full report like this. I mean, if we jump back in and let's see what women's dating advice is. I mean, there's so much out there that us human beings want, and total 88 products, all women right here. First date ideas, best online dating sites, dating men with kids, stuff like that in the United States, India. So this is pretty big, and capture his heart and make him love you forever. So I don't know what that product is either. So I'm running into new products right now as I'm showing you this. So you can run right here and you could go, you could get this product, find it over here on the marketplace on ClickBank, and check the gravity score, check the popularity of it, see if it's selling a lot. Like right now, let's go right here by, let's just go by gravity. Brand new manifesto manual. Okay, that has it has the cell phone. Okay, so it has its affiliate product right here, and it has a gravity score of 179. So a lot of people are promoting this product. There's a lot of money to be made out there. You just got to put your links out there because you already know what's going to happen if you don't. So I was the same way. I procrastinated for so long, and right now is a real good time that you could do this. So just wanted to share with you real quick about the potential that's out there. And like I said before in the beginning of this video, if you want to, if you're jumping into a different niche, money and success, go ahead and leave me a description, leave me a comment, and I'll do a little bit of work for you real quick, and I'll send you the stats. I'll send you something where you could get the popularity and the stats on what you are getting into yourself, on what you're promoting. So like health and wellness, I mean, you got to make sure you narrow it down. Money and success. Okay, what do you want to promote? Money and success. You probably want to promote make money online. So you got to just narrow it down so you're more focused on the niche, what you're trying to promote there. So I just want to share this video. Thank you for stopping by. And if you like this video, if you got any value out of it, give me a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, notification button. I'm coming out with some new stuff as I pick up, as I learn it, as I apply it. If it doesn't work for me, I most likely not going to tell you about it. You could try it if you want. So I'll probably still make a video about it, but it's up to you as well to be promoting your links out there, whether it's through ClickBank, JVZoo, physical products, Digimarket. Just promote links and try not to spam. Do your best not to spam. And I got another video around here that's explaining about spamming. You can check it out. But really appreciate you stopping by. You have a good day or good night. And stay tuned. I'll be coming out with some more stuff. See you later. God bless.